Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn on receive push notifications on the application of Comics. You will go to Comics, Web Comics app. In this page, you will go to this window here of more and you will enter. Then this list we click on settings. After that we go to push notifications. Then this list we click on receive push notifications here. Then this list we click on enable now. And after that, here in this page you will find allow notifications, and we click in this sign. If the sign changed like this, then you can know how to turn on enable notifications as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.